All right, guys, we have got Christina up next, and she's got the Yogi Closet. All right, let's check it out. Christina is doing very, very good. A wonderful start. She's got 279 sales, so still a new seller, but she's already got that coveted star seller badge, smooth shipping, speedy replies, and rave reviews. All fantastic things, and you're obviously doing a great job, Christina. I love the banner that you have up here. The logo itself, I don't know exactly what the tiny thing is. It's so small I can't really see it. So I wouldn't mind a bigger picture of the actual little logo, whatever that thing is, but I'm sure it's great. Now, I'm going to check your shop foundation. I'm sure you've already put it together. And I forgot to mention this to you, Samantha. Putting together your shop foundation is also very important. Filling in your shipping policies, your return policies, your payment policies, even your about section, all of these little details help. And if you haven't put that together, you should, fill that out. So let's go in. Let's see here. And we can even see the sales on Christina's shop. So I love it. We've got, let's see here, Irie Vibes. I've never heard of Irie Vibes. I wonder what Irie is. And we've got a beautiful candle here. Look at that thing. Lit. So romantic. Very nice. I can't seem to figure out how to edit the pre-made one Etsy shows. Are you talking about this video right here? Pre-made one Etsy shows. I'm not sure what you mean by that. No, the policy. Oh, okay. How to edit the pre-made Etsy policies. Oh, okay. I don't know. There should be a way to do it. I definitely know there's a way to mess with it and change it. It's not as flexible as it used to be. It used to be like you could just kind of write whatever you wanted in there, but now it is definitely a lot more rigid and it kind of fits into a certain thing. It used to be like you could just write it. It's like whatever you wanted to say there, but I'm not sure. I know it doesn't work that well these days. It's a little bit more strict. All right, let's see here. Princess Irie. Irie Vibe. Oh, is that the name of the person? Like the baby or something? Breathe deep. The Yogi Closet. Breathe well. Hand poured scented soy wax candle. So I guess the only thing I'm confused on is I don't know what Irie means. I don't know if that's the name of the baby. Irie is my daughter's name. That's a newborn candle scent. Oh, okay. Beautiful. Bring the beautiful scent of a newborn baby and love and energy into your home with the Irie Vibes Aromatherapy candle. This positive intentional candle with crystals combines 100% natural essential oils of musk, lavender, and almond milk. Okay, all sorts of wonderful things. Very fun. I love it. We've got candle care. Great description down here, explaining to them how to use the candle, how to care for the candle, giving them clear expectations of how this candle is going to work, how big it is, how long it will last, what the wick is, everything. You're telling us everything. I like this. We ship fast. Slightly heavier due to ice packs to keep the natural soy together. Okay. Awesome. I like this. This is a really, really fun candle. Really like it. So an idea that's coming to me for your products here is that if you allowed them to customize the label so it said their own child's name, like that'd be cool. And that'd be a great gift, a baby shower gift. If somebody gave them, like if each person got their own candle, so instead it could say like Scarlet Vibes or something like that, or Violet Vibes, or Billy Vibes or something like that. I don't know. That'd be a great customization, and I think people would love that. That'd be super fun, because I swear, personalize your items and they just sell better. Everybody loves personalized stuff, and people buy so many gifts on Etsy too. You got to remember that people love to buy gifts on Etsy, and if you allow them to personalize their gift, it's just making it very, very special, and it allows them to really do what they want to do with it. So, okay, I like this. You've got all different kind of chakra candles here. We've got the third eye chakra candle, lavender, frankincense, chakra healing candles, botanical soy candle, meditation. So let's check it out. Let's check out third eye chakra candle. I'm always amazed at what I find on Etsy. I didn't know people would search that so much, but there it is. Look at that. 1,895 results. That's a fantastic keyword. Great, great, great keyword. Really, really good. And they got a throat chakra. Let's check that one out. This one can't be as popular as the third eye. I can't imagine. I'd be surprised. 1863, so a little smaller, but still really good. Who would have thought the throat chakra? I guess the throat chakra should be possible. I mean, we all use our throats a lot for talking and eating, so it's got to be part popular one. The solar plexus. Let's check that one out. Is this one going to be as popular? This one can't be as popular as the throat and the third eye. The solar plexus at 1823. See, it's a little less, but it is still more popular than I would have thought. So I love what you've come up here with these different chakra related candles. Now, if we go ahead, let's see. We've got chakra, solar plexus. Let's check out the throat one. Chakra healing candles, herbal soy candle. So you've got a beautiful product, really a great product, and you're definitely probably going to be getting, hitting that first keyword pretty well. I'm just curious if you're hitting the other ones as well. So a lot of times you'll find that your products will rank for maybe one keyword like throat chakra, but you might not get as much traffic from like the chakra healing candle keyword. So what you can do to go ahead and try to hit more of those other keywords is to just copy the listing and then rearrange the keywords. So right now we've got chakra healing candle as your number 2 keyword. And if we search that one up, that's still a great keyword, 5,629 results. And let's check it out. Let's see if we can we find the yogi closet on here anywhere? Let's see, the yogi closet. Let's see if we're getting ranked. The yogi closet. Okay, it does have it, but it was, let's try incognito and see if it finds it. Dun, 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 dun. So it doesn't find your shop organically ranked for that keyword, chakra healing candle. So you've got a great product, and it's very relevant. It's very relevant to that keyword. You should be getting ranked on the chakra healing candles, but I'm not sure. Maybe you don't have any listings in your shop that start with chakra healing candles. So let's try chakra. How did we spell that? Chakra healing candle. I know you've got products that have that, but none of the first listing, the very first keyword on the listing is the most important keyword. And I can see you do have 2 that have it close to the beginning. So the throat chakra that we were just looking at, and then this one here, the chakra healing candles. But I don't know if this listing is as good. It might not be. It might just be that this thumbnail is not as good of a seller as some of these other ones that you have. So what I would recommend is on some of these other products that you have that are good products is you make a copy of them and you go ahead and put that keyword chakra healing candle, which is clearly a great keyword, 5,600 results. Make that the number 1 keyword, make that the first keyword, because the very first keyword is the most important keyword. And you're going to rank for that first keyword far and away more often than you are for the second and the third keyword.